What's going on, everybody? It's Brad from Buerkle Cerakote, and yes, I do have blue on my nose. So here's the thing. I hope you all like this video. It took a long time to get this done. We're talking weeks of sandblasting, painting, everything. So I hope you enjoy the video. There will be plenty of stencils for you, Johnny, on this one, including Cerakote, clear coat, everything. So hope you like it, and it's hotter than balls out here.
Cerakote guns gleam in the firelight, cut through the air with the roaring night. Knife sharp as the edge of a dream, coated steel making haters scream. Motorcycles thunder down the road, blaze a trail where you never strode. Cars sparkle with a deadly flare, Cerakote armor everywhere. We got that Cerakote cover strong, make it last all night long. Shine so bright, blinding the crowd, standing tall, arm and proud. In the shop with sparks in the air, got the tools and the deadly stare. Layer it thick, layer it clean, Cerakote rage, pure machine. Engines roar with a savage grace, pistons pound, keeping the pace. From the desert to the icy fold, Cerakote warriors never cold. Life's a battle, tough as steel, Cerakote shield, feeling real. Stand your ground, fight the war, Cerakote pride to the core.
Okay, guys, so this is going to be a longer video. Why? Because it was a big project. Just so you know. But right now I'm at a stoplight. Seatbelts on, safety first. Anyway, thought I'd pop in and say enjoy the video. And yeah, final product at the end.
We got that Cerakote cover strong, it'll make it last all night long. Shine so bright, blinding the crowd, standing tall, arm and proud. We got that Cerakote cover strong, make it last all night long. Shine so bright, blinding the crowd, standing tall, arm and proud. We got that Cerakote cover strong, we got that make it last all night long. We got that shine so bright, blinding the crowd, standing tall, arm and proud. In the shop with sparks in the air, got the tools and the deadly stare. Layer it thick, layer it clean, Cerakote rage, pure machine. In the shop with sparks in the air, got the tools and the deadly stare. Layer it thick, layer it clean, Cerakote rage, pure machine. Engines roar, the savage grace, pistons pound, keeping the pace. From the desert to the icy fold, Cerakote warriors never cold. Life's a battle, tough as steel, Cerakote shield, feeling real. Stand your ground, fight the war, Cerakote pride to the core. We got that Cerakote cover strong, we got that make it last all night long. We got that shine so bright, blinding the crowd, standing tall, arm and proud. Sweat on my brow, heat and grind, rough hands all day, hard to find. Cars and cycles, guns and knives, coating steel where the spirit thrives. Layers fake, dark dance of flames, under lights on, no one to blame. Craft of fire I will ride. Layers thick, dark dance of flames, and the lights on, no one to blames. Craft of fire, my soulful pride. Cerakote roads I will ride. Cerakote warrior in the night. Paper sword, let's get it right. Steel and metal colors bright. Lust is the enemy, fight the good fight. The good fight. Daylight fades, my work remains. Precision strokes all through the pains. Hard labor with a silent roar. Every coat a personal war. Metal shines, break of dawn. Hours long, don't care, it's on. Tools in hand, my trade is true. Cerakote life pays my view. Cerakote warrior in the night.
Okay, so C series is a lot different than H series, so we had to wait until we take the stencils off. So now we're going to take those stencils off and see how everything goes.
Hot day, sweat, borders, suffocating heat. Hand staining color of fight sharp edges to meet. Breathe deep, fumes Cerakote through the lung. Every new coat protection screams from the tongue. Steel leather blades to blazing lights. Grit and grind will pay for the pride. Sunrise to dusky strokes with the brush. Chasing perfection in every flawless run. Coated in struggle, trees catch fire. Hands of the worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color and armor, a craftsman's creed. Body and soul, the path of bleed. Storms in the mind, but steady the hand. Reflect his spirit on cold metal land. Sweat eats the brown like acid rain. Forge of survival ingrained with pain. Touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of battle and calling it home. From bites to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament goes of the fight. Struggle, dreams catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch fire. Catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color in armor, color in armor, color in armor, caress in paint. Color in armor, a cross in paint. Fortune of final, ingrained with pain.
Fuck the people, vastivating the palette by us. Forge of survival, ingrained with pain. Touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of battle and calling it home. From bikes to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament, ghosts of the fight.
Color in number, calling in great. Color in number, and calling it home. Buffalo rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of battle and calling it home. From bikes to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament, goes of the fight. Color in number, across in rate. Fortune of final, ingrained with pain.
Fuck Abel. for suffocating heat. Hands stained color of fight sharp edges to meet. Breathe deep, fumes Cerakote through the lung. Every new coat protection screams from the tongue. Steel leather blades to blazing lights. Grit and grind will pay for the pride. Sunrise to dusky strokes with the brush. Chasing perfection in every flawless run. Loaded his struggle, trees catch fire. Hands of the worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color and armor, a craftsman's creed. Body and soul, the path of bleed. Storms in the mind, but steady the hand. Reflect his spirit on cold metal land. Sweaties the brow like acid rain. Forge of survival ingrained with pain. Touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior's stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of battle, a calling it home. From bites to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament, goes of the fight. Struggle, dreams catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch fire. Catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch